You're probably seeing all these AI tools everywhere. ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, and you know you should be learning them. But every time you try, it feels overwhelming. Maybe you've even downloaded a few tutorials or bookmarked some courses thinking, I'll get to this when I have time. Well, I actually went ahead and spent the last few weeks testing Coursiv, which is an AI learning platform that claims you can master AI in just 15 minutes a day. And here's what surprised me. They might actually be onto something. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what Coursiv offers, show you the actual interface and how their learning system works, and help you figure out if this is worth your time and money. I'll give you my honest take on who this is actually perfect for and who should probably skip it. Let's start with why this platform caught my attention in the first place, because honestly, I was skeptical at first. Why this caught my attention? Here's the thing about learning AI that nobody really talks about. Most platforms fall into one of two camps. You've got the super technical courses built by engineers who assume you already know what an API is and how to read documentation. And then you've got these inspirational courses that show you what AI can theoretically do, but never actually teach you how to use the tools yourself. I've been covering AI tools on this channel for a while now, and the most common question I get is some version of, okay, but how do I actually use this in my work? Not, what is AI or what can it do? People want practical skills that they can apply tomorrow. And look, I get it. When you're working full-time, maybe managing a team or running a business, the idea of sitting through a 40-hour course to learn ChatGPT feels impossible. But here's where Coursiv does something interesting. They're not asking for 40 hours. They're asking for 15 minutes a day. And after testing it out, I can see why that approach actually works better for most people. But before we dive into the platform itself, let me show you exactly what makes their system different, because this is where things get interesting. What Coursiv actually is. So Coursiv is essentially a mobile-first AI learning platform, which means you can learn while you're commuting, during your lunch break, or honestly, whenever you have a few minutes free. They've got over 800,000 users now, which tells me they're doing something right, and they cover about 25 to 30 different AI tools, everything from ChatGPT and Midjourney to DALL, Jasper, and a bunch of other tools we've covered on this channel. Now, here's what made me actually take this seriously, instead of dismissing it as another online course. Instead of the traditional approach where they dump a massive 30 or 40-hour course on you and hope you somehow find time to finish it, we all have those half-finished courses sitting in our accounts, right? They've built everything around what they call micro-learning. The idea is simple. 15 minutes a day. Bite-sized lessons that you can actually complete without feeling overwhelmed. And honestly, this makes sense when you think about how our brains actually work. We're better at retaining information when we learn in smaller, consistent chunks, rather than trying to absorb everything in one marathon session that will probably never finish. Interface walkthrough. One of their main features is these 28-day challenges, and wait until you see how this works. It's basically gamification, the same psychology that makes apps addictive. Except instead of mindlessly scrolling, you're building actual career skills. Each day introduces you to a new AI tool or concept, and by the end of the month, you've touched 28 different tools and understand what they're actually useful for. But here's the part that really matters if you're watching this channel. Every single lesson is focused on practical applications that can actually impact your work or business. This isn't theoretical stuff about how AI works under the hood. This is, here's how to use ChatGPT to write marketing copy that converts, or here's how to use Midjourney to create professional visuals without hiring a designer, or here's how to automate the repetitive tasks in your workflow so you can focus on strategy. They also give you certificates when you complete courses. Now look, I'm not going to pretend a Coursiv certificate is the same as a university degree, but here's what it does do. It shows your employer or clients that you're actively investing in staying relevant. And in today's market, that initiative matters more than people think. You can add these to your LinkedIn, include them in proposals, whatever makes sense for your situation. Inside the platform. Let me walk you through what the actual experience looks like, because this is really where most learning platforms either deliver or fall apart. Show onboarding quiz. When you first sign up, you'll go through this quick onboarding quiz. Don't worry, it's not testing your knowledge, it's just figuring out what you want to learn. Are you focused on content creation, marketing automation, business applications? They use your answers to tailor the content to your specific needs, which I actually appreciate because not everyone needs the same skills. If you're trying to automate your email responses, you probably don't need an in-depth course on AI art generation. Lesson interface. The lessons themselves follow a really clean structure. Each one starts with a quick explanation of the concept you're about to learn. Then they show you real-world examples of how people actually use this in their work. And here's the important part. You then practice it yourself, right there in the app. It's not just watching and hoping you remember later. You're actually doing it. After you practice, there's a quick quiz to make sure you actually understood what you just learned. And I know quizzes might sound boring, but trust me, this is where the retention happens. You're forcing your brain to actively recall information instead of just passively consuming it. Prompts library. Now, this next feature is actually pretty clever, and it's something I wish more platforms did. They have what they call a prompts library, basically a collection of pre-made prompts for different tools and use cases. So if you're staring at ChatGPT thinking, I have no idea how to phrase this question, you can grab one of their proven prompts and modify it for your needs. Think of it like having training wheels when you're learning to ride a bike. You start with support, but you're actually learning the mechanics of how it works. Pretty soon, you don't need the training wheels anymore because you understand the principles. 28-day challenge. The 28-day challenge is really their signature offering, and after going through part of it myself, I can see why it works. One new AI tool every day. By the end of the month, you've gotten hands-on experience with 28 different tools, and more importantly, you understand what each one is actually good for. That's honestly more comprehensive than most corporate training programs I've seen, and those usually cost thousands of dollars. And because the whole thing is designed for mobile first, you can literally learn anywhere, waiting for a meeting to start, pull out your phone, have 15 minutes during lunch, learn a new skill, commuting on the train, perfect time to go through a lesson. The flexibility is actually one of the biggest advantages here, because let's be real, most of us aren't going to sit down at a desktop and dedicate focused time to learning unless we absolutely have to. Who this is actually perfect for. Alright, let's talk about who should actually consider using this, because not every tool is right for everyone, even when it's a good product. This platform makes the most sense if you're in one of these situations. Maybe you know AI is becoming essential in your industry, but you feel overwhelmed by where to even start. Or you've been meaning to learn ChatGPT for months now, but you never quite get around to it because traditional courses feel too time-consuming. Perhaps you're a professional who wants practical skills you can apply immediately, not theoretical knowledge about how machine learning algorithms work. This is also really well suited for people who don't have huge blocks of free time. If you can't commit to weekend boot camps or multi-hour sessions after work, but you can find 15 minutes most days, this approach actually works. And honestly, if you're watching this channel, you're probably in that category. You're interested in AI, you want to stay relevant in your career, but you need solutions that fit into an already busy schedule. Now, there are some situations where this probably isn't the right fit. If you're already a power user who's building custom GPTs and automating complex workflows, you're probably beyond what this platform teaches. This is more foundational to intermediate level. Similarly, if your goal is to become a machine learning engineer or AI researcher, you'll need more technical depth than what Coursiv offers. This is about learning to use AI tools effectively, not building them from scratch. And let's be realistic about expectations. 1 month of 15-minute lessons isn't going to turn you into an AI expert. But it will give you enough practical knowledge to confidently use these tools in your work, and that's actually what most people need. You don't need to be an expert. You need to be competent enough to leverage AI for your specific job or business. The investment. Let's talk about pricing, because obviously this is a factor in your decision. Coursiv offers a couple of different plans. The 4-week plan typically runs around $20, and the 12-week plan is around $40. Now keep in mind that pricing can vary depending on your region, and they often run promotional discounts. So what you see when you sign up might be different from these numbers. Just something to be aware of. To put it in context, that's less than most people spend on coffee or lunch in a week. But unlike coffee, this is actually an investment in skills that could impact your earning potential or career trajectory. If learning AI helps you automate even a few hours of work per week, or opens up new opportunities in your current role, the ROI is pretty obvious. They do offer a money-back guarantee, which I always appreciate. It shows they're confident enough in their product to let you try it without risk. And honestly, that removes one of the biggest barriers. You can go in, see if the learning style works for you, and if it doesn't, you're not stuck. Now, could you learn AI for free on YouTube or through other resources? Absolutely. In fact, that's what we do here on this channel. Provide free AI education. But here's the difference. Free content is great for understanding concepts and staying informed, but structured learning with accountability and progressive skill building is what actually gets results for most people. It's the difference between knowing about AI and actually being able to use it confidently in your work. So, is Coursiv worth the investment? If you're serious about developing practical AI skills and you value structured learning over piecing together random tutorials, then yes, this is priced reasonably for what you're getting. After actually using Coursiv and going through their content, here's my honest take. It's a solid learning platform. It's not going to transform you into a tech executive overnight, but that's not what it promises to do. What it will do is give you practical, hands-on experience with AI tools that you can start using in your work immediately. And in 2025, having that baseline competency with AI isn't just nice to have, it's increasingly becoming necessary. If you want to check it out, I've got a link in the description below. If it's not for you, that's totally fine too. But if you take away one thing from this video, let it be this. Start learning AI somewhere, somehow. Whether it's through Coursiv, through free resources, through other platforms, it doesn't matter. What matters is that you start building these skills now, rather than playing catch-up later. The landscape is changing fast, and the people who are proactively building AI skills today are going to have a significant advantage over those who wait. So take that first step, whatever that looks like for you. If you found this review helpful, drop a comment and let me know what AI tools you're currently trying to learn. I read every comment, and I'd love to hear what you're working on. And of course, subscribe if you want more honest, straightforward content about AI and how it's changing the way we work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.